Hey, we're coming to you from Ice Institute 2023, checking out some Frabill bait boxes and their bait stations here. They have a variety of different sizes. Now, they're at the show here, they've got the 13, 19, and 30 quart. Now, what all the systems that they have here are insulated, and they have the ability to have an aerator. Let's come down to one of the little ones here. This little bucket here has an aerator built in. You can get this one without an aerator also. And then, let me kind of show you this. This is the actual opening area here. You have an insulated inner chamber there, and there's a little hose, and the hose is inside here, but it will drop down and be able to allow you to keep your minnows and bait alive a lot longer here. We've got the bucket, we've got the larger ones here, and then one I wanted to show you here is that there's some smaller ones, but they've got a soft side one here that's kind of neat, where you can go and you can put your minnows and such in there. You've got your aerator right there. You can zip it up and you're good to go with that. And if you happen to get a little bent or whatever, it's going to be able to take a little bit of punishment right there. But if you're looking for something that's really, really durable, they've got the bigger ones here that are just built like a tank. And of course, they have the aerators all built in with the ones here at the show. We'll put a link in the description below so you can go check out all of the different Frabill Magnum bait stations here. It's a great option for those of us who like to go out on the ice and we don't want our minnows to be frozen during our outing.